Hello, and thank you for choosing Sharpe BMW to get your BMW serviced. My name is Jacob. I'm the technician performing the multi-point video inspection as well as service on this vehicle. Starting things off with the underhood portion of the video inspection today, everything did appear to be in pretty good shape. No signs of any kind of gasket failure, fluid leaks, premature wear, cracks, bends, damage, or anything like that were revealed. So I would say you were all set at this time and you shouldn't require any further servicing as far as the underhood portion of the vehicle is concerned. I will go ahead and get things like coolant, which looks like it's actually at a pretty good level right now. That will top off things like washer fluid, and then your brake fluid will be taken care of during that brake fluid flush, so you are all set there. Moving on to the undercarriage of the vehicle. Now once again, everything did appear to be in pretty great shape. No signs of any kind of gasket failure, fluid leaks, premature wear, cracks, bends, damage, or anything like that were revealed, so I'd say you were all set at this time, and you should not require any further servicing as far as the undercarriage is concerned. Tires in the vehicle are in pretty good shape. You are sitting at 7/32 up front and 6 in the rear, so the rears are getting just a touch low, but really nothing too concerning. And the brakes in the vehicle are also looking pretty good, right at the 10mm mark on the rear and 11 up front, so this should last you for a very long time. But that should do it for today's video inspection. So once again, thank you very much for choosing Sharpe BMW to get your BMW serviced. My name is Jacob, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.